Hello, good afternoon, friend. Today I will explain how to networking fire alarm panel by copper cable. Okay, which card is connected with network? Okay, I will explain you. More my friend asked with me how to connect, how to wiring networking cable, how where is connection in fire FACP panel, like that ask question. Today I will explain with you. This is FACP main panel. Okay, this is FACP main panel. Okay, I will open. This card is SPS card. Okay, SPS card. See, here it's loop cable connection, in out, in out, in out. This is a sounder cable. Sounder cable. This is sounder cable. This is loop cable. Okay. This is we have one card. This is NXP master controller. NXP master controller card. We have local language program card. This is program card. Okay, this is program card. This inside this card is motherboard. This is program card. See, we can remove. See, then we can connect like that. This is a networking card. Okay, this is networking card. See, we can remove. See, networking card. Networking cable is this one. This networking cable from here to going other panel. Okay, this from here to going other panel, in, from down, down, up. This one R plus R minus connection. Okay, R plus R minus connection. Right side R plus R minus, left side L plus L minus. Okay, there have terminal port L plus L minus. See, yellow plus black cable. This is motherboard. Motherboard. If you need other system card, printer card, other system card is connect here. Okay, we are wiring from copper cable to network. We are using to this card. This card, this media card, this name media card. See, wired media card. See, wire media card. We have wire media card. Model number 41006056. 41006056. Okay, this media card, to both side, one left port, other one right port. Okay, this left port, right port. Okay, see, there are also cable left port and right side and left side cable have there. Same like we are using this card, small card. See, small card. See, okay, see, small card. This big card name is network control card. Network interface module. Network interface module here. See, network interface module. Other small card is wired media card. Okay, so if wiring copper cable, we can use this card, small card and big card. Okay, so now fix it. I will explain with you from drawing. Okay, Okay. Okay, my friend, we have I make drawing here. This is panel 1. Okay, this is panel 2, panel 3, panel 4, panel 5, NDU panel, monitor, TV monitor. This one panel. If you LP first R plus R minus, L plus L minus, R plus R minus, L plus L minus, R plus R minus, L plus L minus, same R plus R minus, L plus L minus, R plus R minus, L plus L minus, R plus R minus, L plus L minus. Same like I have here monitor, same like looping. R plus R minus, L plus L minus. We can network like that. R plus R minus going in L plus L minus. Okay, like that cable. From R plus R minus going L plus L minus. Okay, now understand you. Okay, R plus R like that you can loop. You can loop like that. You can do like that. Okay, this is ND panel. ND means network display unit. If no this monitor, we can control all this ND from ND panel. Okay, we can control from ND panel. Okay, this is R plus L minus, R plus L minus. Okay, this is R plus L minus going here, plus L minus. Okay, like that wiring. Okay, like that wiring. Okay, after next video I will explain with you how to network from fiber optic cable. Okay, thank you.